Abusio babwatani ba National Cohesion and Integration Commission NCIC niko barurege kulegetindi gochasa Abanasiasa abo bagosegeta chiburaburu osibo bacholio bonene bo mwaka bwechiri bubere 2025 nebere okwano munyakerogo o NCIC kefa omae nigaborire ABAKENYA kwimukia egetambukiro anene ekero bararire chibi cha semitandao chogoturbania OMOREMBE na kwene keuna ngochitinya bale.
The National Cohesion and Integration Commission, we are calling upon every Kenyan to arise, take responsibility, especially number one, on any clip, any TikTok content that drops into your phone. It is not to unite the country. Please don't forward it. Don't share it. Instead, make sure you delete it.
Today, the problem in our country is that we celebrate thieves. I remember at one time I was in Monrovia, Liberia, and I talked about corruption. And one of the ministers then, Boima Fanbule, in response to me said, "You spoke very well, but you made a mistake." I said, "What mistake did I make?" "You talked about corruption. Call it what it is. Theft."